My name is Adul Rajpi. I am skilled in warehouse operation and procurement management. I am performing this video to avail World Skill Council Career Development Certificate. I have learned more about the warehouse, importance of transportation, marketing, retailing, and the relevance of international business and logistics.
Warehouse operations and procurement management. Types of warehouses. Private warehouses owned and operated exclusively for one organization. Public warehouses. This is part of a complex of several warehouses belong to different companies working out of a common compound. Government warehouses are owned and operated by government organizations either for their own use or for other on rental basis. Cooperative warehouses are owned and operated by private individuals joining hands to form and register cooperative. Warehouse can be different in their functional methodology. Stock transfer warehouses do not have any customers attached and have not commercial transactions and simply operate as large store houses for finished products and be transferred to other units and warehouses as demanded. Export warehouses keep material only export and cannot do domestic goods transfer. These are established with special permissions exclusively for export in specified zones and are entailed for export benefits. Bonded warehouses will be those that store only duty payable goods and goods once duty paid will be kept separately identified and moved out within number of hours. This warehouse need custom collectors operate and will be subject to custom checks. Special warehouses operated for specified high value goods as from the time to time by the government and only by license. Container freight stations provided space and handle intermodal containers. They cater to imported to handle materials that arrive in container and to the incoming goods for an allowed provide till customs clean is obtained and duty paid. Inland container depot is a bonded warehouse from import goods away from source and containers handled. It has to stuff and de-stuff goods as required for partial debonding. Cold storage warehouses are large, exclusive freezer areas and a part of much needed cold chain for handling perishable goods like fruits, vegetables, fish, egg, etc. The goods are expected to be kept in the range of 2 to 8 degrees centigrade. all the time keeping to products in healthy condition all along. Canal warehouses are exclusive to areas where they are in waterfront and water transportation are movements around and inside large warehouse areas. The warehouses are built with the waterfronts extending to the warehouse with built up ramp to load and unload goods. Open yard warehouses are for large items that can be kept in the open. Manufacture cars, trucks and bus chassis which later undergo changes but have space are stored in open yard with the yard management system. Retail warehouses are swarming the world right now, resulting in trade benefits. They need ample space and most of the warehouse activity in them.